In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fresh Clickbank account on your mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you haven't got the Clickbank mobile app already, what you can do is you can go ahead and download it, and I've done a video previously on that if you want to go ahead and watch that. But what you need to do if you want to create a new account is come to the three lines in the top left corner. And then you will want to go ahead and scroll down until you find accounts on the left hand side and select that. And then once you have selected accounts, this is the page you'll be brought to, and then as you can see, manage account nicknames at the top, and you can create or you can link an account. So if you want to create an account, you can click on that. And then once you've done that, you'll have to select an account type. So for this, what you will need to do is, if you're a vendor, affiliate, or anything like that, you need to go ahead and select which is most relevant to you. So for most people, it will be an affiliate. And then for a nickname, you can put in literally whatever you like. So I'll just put in Ryan2MT2, for example. And then what you will need to do is scroll down until you see the sign up button, and it is now lit up because I can now use that nickname. So if I click on that, what that will do is it will create a second account. So as you can see under the nicknames there, my Ryan2MT2 account is right there. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.